Google had recently released an official teaser for its upcoming flagship Pixel 4 in June, months before its plan to deliver the product. Now the company has come out with a second teaser of the device which details on a few new features. Google releases a new teaser for the Pixel 4 confirming Face ID-like authentication and motion control. The tech giant has been working for some time on Project Soli, which is a chip that uses radar to detect hand gestures near the phone, quite like the hand gesture seen in the LG G8 ThinQ. Google spoke in detail about the three major upgrades to the Pixel 4, but one everyone is talking about is the new motion detection based feature. The teaser video shows a girl interacting with the Pixel 4 using hand gesture in the space, and that may get you thinking as to, hey, we have seen this on older Samsung and Sony phones years ago. Even LG's flagship for this year has something similar. On the Face Unlock feature, Google revealed Pixel 4's sensor automatically recognize when you pick the device for unlocking, unlike other phones which require users to pick the device all the way up and wait for it to unlock. Google said Pixel 4's Face Unlock will work in any orientation, allowing you to unlock the phone even if it is upside down. A secure Face Unlock ensures one can use the feature for app authentications and make payments. Now, will it make the Pixel 4 the smartest phone this year? Well, that's up to Google to explain. However, the Soli chip will make life easier for a Pixel user. Advanced gesture control will enable better productivity with the phone. Google is also using an IR-based facial recognition technology this year, and it says that unlike existing systems, this won't require you to pick up the phone to unlock it. Instead, the Soli chip will always be active, and as soon as it detects that you are approaching the phone, it will activate the Face ID sensor and unlock the phone by the time you have picked it up. Neat, isn't it? Google Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL are slated to release in October. Likely to feature 6GB of RAM, the Pixel 4 would feature a taller display. The Mountain View company has confirmed the Pixel 4 device would come with a square camera module at the back, which would house a dual rear camera setup, while until now all Pixel models only had a single camera sensor at the back. The smartphone can be expected to be powered by Snapdragon 855 SoC and run the upcoming Android Q operating system. So guys, are you excited for the Pixel 4? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.